In this video, I will explain regarding the membership operators in Python. So coming to the memberships, Python will provide two membership operators. So they are in operator and another one is not in operator. So here we use this in and not in operator to check or validate the membership of a given value. So actually what is the purpose of membership operators? So for example, you have a list like 10, 20 and 30. So you want to check whether the 10 is present in the given list or 20 is present in the given list or 30 is present in the given list. So at this time we need the membership operators to check whether the given value is present in the sequence or not. So this is the purpose of the membership operators like in and not in. So in is used to check whether the element is present in the sequence and not in is used to check whether the given value is not present in the sequence. Here the in operator. So this in is a operator which will returns true when the value is present in the sequence. So in operator will return true if a value is present in the sequence, otherwise it will return false. So let us take an example. G in gate. So this will return true because so this value G, the character G is present in the this string, or otherwise you can take 10 in 10, 20, 30. So this is also written true because the value 10 is present in the sequence. So if it is not present, then it will return false. So here if you consider like 40, then it will return false. So this is how the in operator will perform. So not in is an operator which will return true if the value is not present in the given sequence. So it will return true when the value is not present in the sequence. And if we consider some examples like 20 not in 10, 50, 100. So this will return true because 20 is not present in the given sequence. So if you take some character like F not in flag, this will return false because F not in flag, no, this is wrong because F is present in flag. So it will produce the result as the false. So let us consider this a dictionary. This is mydic dictionary and I want to find out whether the key 3 is in this dictionary or not. So how I can write 3 in mydic? So if 3 is the key which is present in this dictionary, then it will return true. It will check whether the key 3 is present in this mydict or not. This will return true because 3 is a key present in this mydict. So for example, if I take 10 in mydict, so this will result false because 10 is a key which is not there in mydict. So it will return false. So for this only 10 not in mydict is my statement. So this will return true because 10 is the key which is not in the mydic dictionary. So this will return true. I hope you understand the concept. So in this we have two operators, membership operators, they are in and not in, and I'll show you the program execution with explanation with continuation of this video. So coming to the examination point of view, to get or to score good marks, so try to give some key points. Okay, mention some key points and as well as write examples, more examples. Okay, write some example programs and as well as this simple syntax like this simple statement programs, okay, so that you can score good marks.
So here I will explain you some of the examples of the membership operators. Okay, so initially let me print the character G in gate. Okay, so now here the character G is present in the gate, so it will return true. So let us print execute. So yes, you got it as true. Okay, now let me use here capital G. Now here whenever I execute this program, we will get false because this capital G is not present in this given gate string. Okay, you will get false. Yeah, we got it as the false. So let me take some another example. Print 10 in some list, whether the 10 is present in that list or not. Okay, so now here we will get the output as true because the 10 is present in the given list. Yes, now here you got it as true. So if you take it as 100 here, you will get it as false because the 100 in this list, no, the 100 is not present in this list, therefore it will return the value, the output as the false. Yes, you can observe here you got it as false. So simply if I consider some dictionary, that is MyDict. So this is my dictionary. So now I am printing whether that means I am checking whether 1 is present in MyDict or not. That means here 1 is a key. I am checking whether the key 1 is present in MyDict. Yes, obviously it is present. So here in MyDict we have the key as the 1. So therefore it will return true. Yeah, we got the output as the true. So for example, let me take one example and explain. So I am taking some values a is equals to 25 and b is equals to 50, and let me consider some list L, and I am taking some values. So here I am printing whether a in L. So let us assume the outputs also. So here A in L is nothing but 25 in L. Whether the 25 is present in the given list? No. So that means it will return false. So our expected output will be false. Now I am printing again A not in L. What will be this output? So here A is 25 not in L. Yes, obviously true because 25 is not in this given list. So it will return true. And now I am dealing with the B variable. B in L. So what it will return? So B is 50. 50 in this L. Obviously the 50 is present in the given list L. So it will return true. Again I am printing B not in L. So what will be its output? So B is 50. 50 not in L? No, because 50 is present in L. That's why it will return false, because here the statement we provided in the print function B not in L is the wrong statement because B is present in L. So that's why it will return the output as the false. Now let us compare all our expected outputs with the results. Yes, obviously our expected outputs are same as the results. So here false, true, true, false. So this is the explanation regarding the membership operators.